Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. I don't normally appear in my videos, but today I wanted to give you guys, everybody who watches, a heartfelt thank you for everything that you do to not only make this channel possible, but for all the change that we inspire. A very small portion of getting things changed is getting the information out there in the first place. It's hard to know what to change if you don't know what needs to be changed. So far, and by accident, that became my role, and a ton of other channels in the community. Because the information gets out there to people like you who care, steps are taken to remedy terrible situations and bad policy. In 2021, exclusive stories that I reported on this channel got the ball rolling to terminate several officers in law enforcement agencies across the United States. Some of the encounters ended up with lawsuits, with financial compensation, but most importantly, policy change and termination of bad government employees. At the moment, we don't know what's going to happen with this case. It's too early to tell, but I wanted to point out that at the time I created that video, the petition to remove Judge Alexei Krot was at 9,500 signatures. As of now, it currently has over 100,000. Perhaps less impactful, but also an amazing feat, is your response to the incident on the City of Hamtramck's Facebook page. In the short time that the video has been up, the city has received hundreds of comments, redressing their grievance with Judge Alexei Krot. And perhaps one of the biggest things that helps the channel are the viewers like you who share our content to the city officials. I remain in close contact with most of the people I do stories on. Government bureaucracy has created a system in which justice is served slowly. Someday, there will be an update, and when there is, I will inform you on it and other cases. From the bottom of my heart, thank you for being a part of this. I know personally the stress of watching this content day after day, and if you want something lighter, or if you're looking for a way to support our mission for free, take a look at our other channels, like The Odd Side, where we take a look at paranormal incidents, or Lackluster Limited, which is currently being rebranded to focus on criminal psychology content. All of the above is also available on Facebook, and as always, the links are below. Thank you again for blessing me with your time, and for everything you do to make your voices heard. As always, thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like to submit for review, use the link in the description or pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for future content. And remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. It really helps the channel. If you enjoy our content, try our other channels, Lackluster Limited for criminal psychology content and The Odd Side for paranormal videos. Shirts and other merchandise are available at the Teespring store. Membership start at just $1 if you'd like to help further support the channel and get a slick Lack logo next to your name. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. All links are down below.